Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up parental controls on your Windows computer. So the very first thing to do is you just have to go to settings. That is the first step. Second step, go to accounts. And then third step, you just have to look for family and relationships. That is under email and accounts. Okay, tap this one. Now, step four, you have to create an account for a kid. So I don't know why I can't see that here, but most of the people who own laptop, desktop, and who have their Microsoft account, there should be an option here that you have to, or you can open or create an account using or under kid, okay, kids account. So if you see that, all you have to do is to create an account for your kid, for your child, especially those who are below 18 years old. Okay, you have to sign up using your email or phone. Okay, create a password. Okay, let's just say your son's name is Alex Brook, or that is his email. Okay, enter the password. Okay, after you enter the password, click next. Step 5, give or provide or fill out the information that Microsoft asks you, especially the name of your child or the birth date. Okay, something like that. And then after you answer this one, all you have to do is to click next. Okay, once you're done with the birth date, it will take you to sign into this computer's user Microsoft account. So you can sign in using the current Windows password. Step 6, once you're on your Microsoft account, you have the option for filtering inappropriate web content, applications, and media. Step 7, you can now do the following. Use Internet Explorer and Edge only for acceptable websites. Filter the search results to include adult content. Set age limits for movies, games, and application purchase through the Windows and Xbox shops. Control screen time using a timetable or a cap of the number of hours. Obtain statistic on your usage of applications and the web. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.